my god, I thought he went flying. Bro, I got hit by my own car. I don't know if my limit went up. I can't buy a Rollie till my limit's up. What?
Oh, they're called.
They're called Rollies.
No. You really like that one, huh?
Yeah, the V.
An up carrot, not a V.
Fuck you.
Just saying, bro.
It's a V in my eyes.
Get it right, get it white.
I mean, what? What? Iron Man. Oh, an AK. I should use the AK. Oh my god. The realist.
What the hell?
What?
Come on, bruh.
That was his name, Nibba.
He's racist.
I don't know what it.
I feel
Okay.
like everyone that plays PUBG is just low-key racist. Except for
How is that word? What?
You know what he's implying.
Oh, imply. Okay. I thought you meant the word. Okay.
Yeah, no. Not the word. He's implying not nice things. Remember that guy that had blacks in it?
Oh yeah.
Your name yesterday? Just implying bad things. Fucking racist.
Oh my. SLR, huh? Okay. We are going to do this.
Where the fuck I am?
How is there a car in here?
Where the
Oh my god, that insta headshot. Feels fucking good, man. Oh my goodness!
SLR? SLR.
There he is, gold.
Fucking guy that killed me.
I never want to see his face again. Disrespect. It's gonna so sick.
Think they're gonna nerf it?
Yeah, they should nerf it.
Where the fuck I am?
And you normally never want a black crosshair because you'll never see it. Jesus.
Dude, you shot that really fast. I think you should have slowed it down, maybe.
Where the fuck I am?
CTC?
Bruh.
Where the fuck
Is that-
I am.
Where? I don't know where I'm gonna shot from.
Where the fuck I am.
Do you see this guy? Somewhere in this where I'm scoped.
Nope.
That is him.
On the roof.
Right? Maybe not. No, it's not.
No.
Where? I'm confused. I don't know where he's gonna shoot.
I am.
I mean, I'm mad. Nope. Not a clue. Fuck it.
See? 3x, baby.
You can't even see. There. No. Three.
Stop.
Hold on. Let me try
Give
something.
it a chance. You're owning with it.
I. Just give it a chance. Okay. Why? You just want to be different. It's not a good scope and you know it.
It's good scope, man. I'm telling you. Look at that guy's got 2 of them. He knows how good it is.
Oh.
It's the new 4x, but better.
Probably.
Where the fuck I am.
Hey, you're owning. Look at it, see? Look at that. Look at that!
Where the fuck I am.
Yeah! Come on, bruh!
Oh my god.
3x! Woo!
Where the
3x! Woo!
Oh my god. Like I got owned. Started a little weak. Don't drive at me. Don't run me over. Don't run me over.
Bro! 3x!
Where are you, you bitch? Up there somewhere. This gun is so sick.
Someone locked their car.
Oh. Ooh, a 6x. This guy got fucking the dick. What I kind of like about it is all the
Where
little
the fuck I
lines
am.
could be used for
Distances.
distances, kind of.
I think, scoping again, I just think they should make
Where
it
the
less
fuck I am.
Oh my god, I thought he went flying. Bro, I got hit by my own car, and then the ADS canceled itself. It was a terrible combination. I think I might rush this guy. I want that drop. Hell yeah, I'm rushing him. Ah! Oh! Oh my god. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Spooky. Dude, nobody has anything. They're just all stream sniping me. Everyone in this game. Got a bad feeling about this one.
Where the fuck I
Whoa,
am.
whoa, whoa. What kind of aim do you
Where the
have?
fuck I am.
You're a legend. Oh shit.
Where the fuck I
Oh,
am.
oh, 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 oh. Little 8x. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. A badger, 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 badger. Mushroom, mushroom. Of course, this guy stopped here. It's the most perfect stop
Where
I've
the
ever
fuck I
seen.
am.
Come on, 3x. Come on, baby.
See?
Bro, he headshot me.
He did.
I,
If you had a level 2 helmet, I think you would have died.
well, no, I think it does enough damage because I hit him once before.
3x, 3x, 3x.
Where's this guy with the SKS? He's pissing me off. Circle's just been on me this whole game. So many more trees over here. I don't think there's that many trees before. Bro!
Where the fuck I am?
I just want to see somebody. What's this shit? Oh, I see you, man.
Where the fuck I am?
Oh no. 3x.
Where the fuck I am? Where the fuck I am?
Oh.
Where the fuck
Dude's got a level 3 helmet. Is he even on?
Take him out of the game.
Where the fuck I am? Where the fuck
Go for that ass!
Okay. Oh, he's got an
Where
M24.
the fuck I am?
Dude, that was just tweaking, man.
He didn't have his
Where the
fucking
fuck I
gun
am?
out.
Where the fuck I am?
I don't. Oh, I see.
Where the fuck I am? Where the fuck I am?
This guy hit me. Hello? He crouched. Oh no. This is where I die.
Bang him out.
Where the fuck I am?
Bro, I'm just getting a headshot.
Still got level 4 health.
This is true.
Where the fuck I am?
I think if I want to win this game, I go inside the city. I think I'm gonna die on that hill.
Where the fuck I am?
Oh,
I am.
Okay.
React.
Where the fuck I am?
And hip fire.
Where the fuck I am?
Yep.
This thing owns hip fire.
I know.
Bro, I should have killed him. I didn't hit a single headshot when I felt like I was just all over it.
Where the fuck I am?
Put him in the calf.
Where the
Could have
fuck
had
I
so
am?
many kills. I'm pretty much ending with none. Bullshit.
Reacts.
Did not expect that guy to be there.
Where the fuck I am?
That's him.
Alright, two guys died in Blaze Zone. That sucks.
That was the guy, dude. He just kind of forgot about the zone. It's his fault.
That sucks.
He had that hill, but instead he went right instead of going left into the city. You crazy. I wish I hit that shot. Or maybe I did, and that's why he died to the zone. I'm not sure.
One of my best friends.
I'd have to check the replay, but I just don't care enough. Well, this was an unfortunate and very lame game. Shoot, I was at 22 for so long. I didn't get to kill anybody until like top 15.
This is a good game.
I mean, it'd still be a good game, but it could have been so much more, you know? Assuming they're climbing this.
Where the fuck I am? Where the fuck I am?
is he?
Where the fuck I am?
Is he just gonna die? Oh.
Where the fuck I am?
3x.
Seriously. You're underestimating it.
Oh my god. Be throwing those nades, man. Spook me. Do it to him. 360. And wonder if this nade will reach.
Maybe.
Hold on. Who?
Yeah.
Oh, he's trying to pan. Oh my god. He's trying to pan fight. Come here.
He knows it's you then.
Yeah, he does.
This guy's gonna fucking shoot you.
He's not gonna shoot. Stop. Stop. You should see it now. That's pan. Hey, man.
Hi.
Are we doing this thing? Wait, hold on. Don't rush me yet. What's your...
Yeah, heal up.
Okay, hold
I'm
on.
full.
Okay, let me use my med kit. You want to do this the fair way and drop our helmets?
Yep.
Okay, drop your helmet. Alright. Let's do this thing.
He's boosted, dog.
Let's do this.
Alright. What the f... Okay.
I think you hit him. Oh. Laid him out.
You think I crouched under that one?
No, I think you hit him in the foot. I think you're good.
You think I crouched under a swing?
I don't think he would have hit you.